Nigeria meets the Global Montreal Protocol's 2040 target of eliminating the hydrochlorofluorocarbons, which are harmful greenhouse used in the refrigeration and air conditioning sector for cooling effect. Well, the Minister of State for Environment, Isiaq Salako, says the target is achievable if the tempo of the country's phase-out plan already been implemented is sustained. Salako, who said this in Lagos while handing over refrigeration and air conditioning equipment to certified training centers, charged the beneficiaries on sustainable development of the equipment and strict compliance with stipulated guidelines.
Fluorocarbons, HCFCs, are compounds containing carbon, hydrogen, chlorine, and fluorine used as cooling agents in the refrigeration and air conditioning sector. These gases have the potential to destroy the ozone layer, causing the heating up of the environment and harm to human health. In line with the protocol, Nigeria, with support from the United Nations Industrial Development Organization, UNIDO, and the United Nations Development Programme, UNDP, has been taking steps to realize the HCFC phase-out management plan with a view to completely eliminate them by 2040.
The Federal Ministry of Environment, with the support of UNDP, has trained 32 centers all over the country. Those centers have been certified. They were trained in Italy, and they have been certified to be able to train other technicians in the use of these new refrigerants that are less negatively impactful to the environment.
The way we use refrigerators, fire extinguishers, if we use it in the wrong way, they emit certain gases into the atmosphere, and those gases impact on our health. Those gases impact on climate change. And so what we are doing today is to provide the right equipment for them to be able to provide the necessary when they're doing repairs, for example, of refrigerators, to use the right gases to be able to make sure that we are not introducing more gases into the atmosphere and therefore depleting the ozone.
The presentation of refrigeration handling, tubing, hydrocarbon service tools and safety equipment to the respective beneficiaries is therefore geared towards empowering the centers for optimum results.
Party to the Montreal Protocol has an obligation to the protocol, but especially to its people, to safeguard the ozone layer and also to reduce the effect of climate change. And this is coming through the refrigeration, air conditioning, and foam sector. So this initiative is laudable because this will help Nigeria to help its citizens to reduce the effects of ozone layer depletion and climate change from these sectors.
Now trained and certified, they are expected to operate the training centers across the country and also train about 10,000 technicians on safe refrigeration practices over the next few years. Nkoli Omodu, AIT News, Abuja.